What to do, YouTube? It's just Jane back with just another video. Area 51. We're raiding her. Disclaimer, in no means am I actually supporting the Area 51 raid. This is all for fun and jokes and entertainment. By no means necessary does this actually mean go to Area 51. Don't do it. I'm telling you, do not do it. You'll get arrested. It's illegal. Literally do not go. Don't do it. Don't be stupid. Now that we have the legalities out of the way, let's get started. To be quite honest with you, I don't know whether to be like a 2014 YouTuber and, you know, do the whole voiceover thing and make it really natural, or do this in like a get ready with me format. I don't know. I'm gonna start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills single eyeshadow in the color black, and I'm going to fill in my eyebrows because we need the brows looking good, baby girl. Yes, we do. So, you know, here's how it goes. Here, I'm not gonna do, oh, I've messed up. Guys, I've messed up. There's just a certain way everybody does their eyebrows, and I'm not here to teach you how to do eyebrows. Okay, now that I got the brows done, the facial makeup. The facial makeup. I've been using the CoverGirl True. Me trying to be a beauty guru and me not succeeding because, baby, I'm not. I'm not one of those. I'm not that. I'm gonna be using the CoverGirl True Blend in the Matte Made. I'm using the color T15. I have no shame in what I'm doing. I have no shame in how I feel. Let's continue. Whenever I actually go to Area 51 and raid, I'm gonna need like at least 2 layers because nobody's playing. I'm gonna be running a lot trying to find my homegirls, my aliens, trying to adopt one. Not getting my beauty blender wet because I don't feel like it. I don't care if it's wrong or if it offends you. If it does, leave. I actually had to cancel my flight to the Area 51 raid because Miss Norvina. I'm gonna take this color right here, put it all over my lid as a base. Literally the name of this color, it's literally the base color. So I am gonna use the base again just to highlight my brow because I know it's a safe choice, a safe option. I feel safe with my choice. So I'm gonna take the James Charles palette. I wanna go for like a purplish green kind of alien look so that whenever I do hit Area 51, the aliens know that I could possibly be one of them. Take this dark green color right here and I'm going to put that in my crease. I'm using this Norvina palette as a way to have a mirror because James Charles didn't put a mirror in his palette, but that's okay. I'm not mad. Some of his colors really go hard and they do really genuinely pop off, and I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that they don't, because they do! The Subculture palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, the color A6, which is a deep dark green. It's a little bit darker than the James Charles palette. This is the better color option for me when it comes to the greens because I'm a bit darker in complexion. I need something that's more pigmented and that'll stand out more, and I don't want to necessarily take all the time in the world to blend. I'm going to go in on my lid with a shimmery purple. I'm gonna go back in with the Norvina palette, the color Celestial, which is a nice shimmery purple. I don't want the shimmery purple to go through the whole lid, so we're gonna get fun and really creative artistry in the James Charles palette, which is this one, and we're gonna see how that goes too.
Are you recording a YouTube video?
Yeah, how'd you know?
Because the camera?
Yeah.
Am I gonna be in it?
No. Oh my god. I put that on like the inner portion of my lid because I want to do a half-half lid. So I'm going to go back in with Subculture and I'm going to use Electric, which is a nice shimmery green. But I'm loving this and I'm happy with what I'm doing. I'm gonna go back in with the purple so that I can make it as even as possible so that they both have enough of the eyelid and the green's not taking away from the purple and the purple's not taking away from the green. I'm going to take the James Charles palette once again, and I'm just gonna do an underlid, highlight my under eyes. I don't know what this is called, I forgot, I'm having a moment. I basically created a half shimmery green lid and a half shimmery purple lid with a dark green crease and then a nice purple undertone for my eye. I'm going to use the color Cube right here, an iridescent pink, and I'm going to put that on the inner corners of my eyes. I can honestly just never wear makeup without blush. Like, that's weird to me. It's not something I'm into, and I can't ever see myself not doing it. But I'm just going to take a little dainty brush because it doesn't have to look that big and exotic, because I'm not all about really making my cheeks look good, because the highlight is what's gonna like scare y'all. Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight kit, Aurora, the color Orion, which is the blue. And I am very well aware of, like, I'm about to be looking like dead ass glowing, and that's what I want to do. We want to glow because it's Area 51. The aliens need to be able to see me from a mile away so that I can break them out of Area 51. So, yep, we are going to highlight the nose like no other. Like, if you can't see this from a mile away, that means I didn't do it right. And we're just going to go in with a blue highlight on the sides. And then we're going to do it on this side as well. Oh my god, this highlight is mad ridiculous right now. After huge consideration, I've decided I need to blend this. Going to put on my mascara, and I've been using the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. I can't really talk while putting on my mascara because sister has to focus. Liquid lipstick by Stila in the color purple. All I'm gonna do is just kind of use it as a base on my lips to get into some fun stuff. Now that I have the base, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do the blue just because I really like the blue look. And I am going to put it on this brush and start applying it to my lips. This is what they mean when they say make do with what you have. This right here. I'm going to rate Area 51. One of my roommates did my hair because I wear weaves, and in no way, shape, or form do I know how to do space buns. I've never ever in my life been able to do space buns because I don't know how to do it with tracks, with a lace closure, with anything. Like, I don't know how, so I've never done it, and honestly, I'm loving this look. For setting spray, I'm going to use the Mario Badescu facial spray, and I oops. Oh, let's go into a cute little montage that's like in slow-mo with the music. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. in my next video, or in this case, I'll see you all at Area 51. 1, 2, 3, peace.